So welcome to the show. Now if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. My channel is all about making you a better home cook or home baker. And today's recipe, the spring roll. So usually a spring roll is something that is vegetarian, which has usually with cabbage, and that's exactly how I'm going to make this recipe. The only twist that I'm doing is that I'm using the Sirimon mozzarella cheese. Now, first of all, the thing about the cheese here is that it's actually vegetarian safe because they use vegetable grated, so vegetarian can use it, and it's also halal. Now, more so about the mozzarella, it's actually a soft cheese. It has a nice subtle flavor and it has that nice melting quality. So let's go cook. So what I already have here is onions that I started cooking. Basically low heat, a little bit of oil, medium to high heat, and then you cook the onions, and I've cut them into long pieces so that they cook evenly. But we don't want them to brown. We don't want the onion to brown. My secret ingredient that I love adding whenever I'm making this kind of a dish is to have some cumin seeds. This will add some flavor. It's optional, but it's a taste that I like and I prefer having, and a little goes a long way. So you add it to the onion. So it's at this stage, I'll actually increase the fire. At this stage I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables. So it's the frozen peas or the already cooked peas, some the grated carrots and cabbage. So you basically want to stir it into the onion. Don't forget to add some salt and pepper. So you don't want to overcook the cabbage. You just want it to be nice and soft and still have the nice green color. And even when you turn off the heat, it's still okay because it will keep cooking even if it's a little bit hard. So I've turned off the heat, and it's at this stage I'm going to add the mozzarella. Now, the reason I'm adding mozzarella, it will make the cabbage come together, and it will have that nice stringy effect when eating. So just the cheese, you can crumble it or you can grate it. This is just taking it to the next level of flavor. Cabbage has cooled down. It looks actually like I've put some cream to it, and what I have here is my pastry for the spring rolls, and it's basically the same one as the one for samosa, only that you cut them into a round shape. Now when you're adding this, you have to be careful not to add too much. You add it towards one end. So I'm just feeling it feels a little bit heavy, so I'll actually reduce. Don't want too much of the mixture. So how you do it is fold the sides and then roll it like that, and then on the top, using a mixture of flour and water, apply a little bit of that to be like glue to stick it like that. So now we're going to deep fry the spring rolls. What we want to do is make sure that the oil is hot, nice and hot. The right temperature is about 180 degrees. And just dip the spring rolls. So you know the oil is ready when it's bubbling like that. So you know they are cooked when it's golden brown, and also they tend to float when it's actually ready. So there you have it, nice and crispy spring rolls with cabbage, and the cheese. So I can't wait to dig into this. I hope you learned something new. Let me know how yours turns out. Remember, you can buy the Sirimon mozzarella cheese in all leading supermarkets and also online, and I'll put also the link to the online store in the description of the video. And until Next time I'm signing out, I'm Chef Raphael.